Assalamualaikum and hi guys, my name is Hakimi and today I want to give you an overview about Microsoft Word, which is one of the word processing software. Wait a bit, what is word processing software? It is basically a software that lets you create and edit your own document. Okay, without further ado, let's continue. First, open your Word and then go to the blank document. Then go to the insert. Let's say if you want to make a technical report, you need a cover page, right? Then we can just click the cover page and use the built-in one, or we can be as creative as we want to make our own cover page. Okay, to make a report, it is practically impossible if we just want to use one page, right? Then if we want to add a new page, we can use the blank page or even page break. The function itself is similar for both of them. Okay, enough about that. We go for the table. For table, you can insert the table or draw or even using Excel to make your table. But I will just use the insert table since we can be more creative with table design and table layout. Do what you want, but what's surprising me is that in table layout we have formula, but the formula is not like in Excel that advanced. We need to put it manually here, and the function itself is right like this. Since in Word we just make a report and we have already the data, right? Like when we do experiment, we get the data in gram and we want to change it to kilogram. Then we can use the converter 3/1000, but in number format we also need to we need to state the number format since it is only 2 decimal number. Then click OK and boom, it will go like this. It is fine since we can just use for basic arithmetic, exponential and average. Okay, let's continue with illustrations. For illustrations, we have pictures, shapes, icons, 3D models, smart art, chart, and screenshot. But I will not go through for the screenshot. You know what this screenshot will do, right? And the 3D models and pictures, you can get it from online or even from your own device. And for icons, it is only available online. Okay, for shapes, it is like if you want to make a mind map, but you want to be as creative as you want. But it is typically a bit consuming time, and if you just want to make the time more efficient, you can use smart art. In smart art, we have many options we can use, like list, process, or even like if you want to make a organizational chart, you can go to hierarchy and we have many options here. If you want to add a picture, we can use it. We can use this built-in and simply put your picture and the position. Okay, for chart, it will automatically generate a chart that you want. Like you want to make a column chart, just click OK and the data you need to put it from Excel. It is interconnected with each other. You just put the data here and it will change right here, and you can edit the chart with what you want, like deleting legends or deleting the series. Like you just want to make one series, and it is up to you, and it have tiles that you can use. Okay, for next we go to the header and footer. For header and footer, we usually use it for page number, right? Then we can just click page number and bottom of page, the simple one or the X one. Okay, here we have pages, but in cover page it is different first page because I already set it to be different first page. You can try it. It will go to show document text first, but when you put different first page and you close it and you try do it later, go for different first page and it will be like this. Okay, now move on to the symbol. Since the report, let's say the lab physics report, it will have equations, right? But the built-in one is not enough to insert the needed equation. So we can go to the insert new equation and play around like this. It have many options. We can put the equation here. Okay, I'm just scribbling not the real equation one. Like put Q here and let's say we have delta T like a bit here. And here you can also put script and so on like this. And in the script itself you can put radical. You can just expand what you need and then put the number. Okay, for the symbol it is like equation, but the symbol it will not go for box like equation. It will just be simply there and you to worry because like if we put delta here we can just backspace it without consuming the line spacing or the spacing. Okay, let's go for the references. For report it is not enough without table of content, right? Okay, then we can put table of content after the cover page. But how do we do it? We need to use the heading styles. Like let's say I put 1.0 here and using heading styles. Intro. And you can put what you want, intro, objective, but using heading. And if you want to make 1.1, let's say below intro, you can use this subheading, heading 2, heading 3 and so on based on your formatting number. Then go to the reference back, click table of content, just use built-in is fine. It will go like this. And if you want to update the table, just press the contents and update table. You can update for page number or the entire table. It will update automatically. Oh, and you can also put reference here if you still a bit unclear how to do the reference. Just use this and let's say the book. I'm just use the example one, Kramer, and this is for one author, but if you have more than one author we use the corporate author, Kramer and James, let's say. And title you put dark. And what we have, the type of source is book, section, journal and so on. And click OK, it will go like this. And if you want to make references, you put references from this is citation, and if you want to put references, go for the bibliography and click references. It will automatically generate the references. And same like table of content, we can update citation and bibliography based on what you put here. Next, we want to export this document to the PDF. Then we go to file, go for export and create PDF. Then you can publish and it will be saved as PDF. Oh, and if you want to, let's say you want to make hard copy and you want to print preview it, you can go here, this quick access toolbar, and enable print preview and print, and then click this icon and you can see the whole pages and you can edit here based on your need. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you.